Things. There are some things which could be big, some things small. And these things, you never know when it would be the right time to use it exactly. Today, we are going to talk about a small thing, something small, which actually comes in multiple uses. Hey, friends, this is Flavia welcoming you to another episode of How. So, this is the thing that I was talking about, the lid of the milk carton that I separated off from the carton. Here, this is the milk carton. I just removed it. If you do not have a milk carton, need not worry, you can use a plastic bottle. Just cut the little more than the top end. Now I'll show you with this lid what we can do. Say suppose you have poured the salt in the container and you have remaining salt. What you would do, the remaining salt in which plastic you have it, ensure that you cut it sideways neatly so that you can put it through the cork easily, because this plastic is thick. It will not close properly if you open the full plastic. So I'll just take the side of the plastic, push it through the cover in this way, and then flip off the top end. See, I'm just flipping it over this way, and ensure that once you flip it over, you see that there is enough space at the same time in the middle for the salt to flow through when you open it. And I am just trying to easen up the pleats on the side so that it is not difficult to put the cover here. And in this way, you could either press the lid or turn it, whichever will sit tightly. Because sometimes for the plastic which is thick, it might not work turning. You might have to press it, and then you'll see that it's secured well. So in this way, your salt is like in an airtight bag. There's nothing falling off, and your cover, the lid, is very well tightly covered, so you'll have nothing falling out as well from this. I'll just show you how it is. Once you turn over, you flip the salt packet, see, nothing is actually falling off from this packet. It's a foolproof thing. Now what I'm trying to do is, since I turn this plastic over, the salt must be stuck on the top side of this bag. So I'm trying to just push it down so that when I open the lid, it might not just fall off. And there, see, there's a little bit of salt still on the side. However, majority of it is still in the bag. So this is one way that you could use. Now here I have a bag of pulses, dal. This is a soft bag. The bag is very soft. So the full thing can actually pass through very easily and be covered with this uh, thing. So as before that I showed you, just pass this full thing through the mouth of the lid in this way, and then secure it with the top here. Again, you can either press it or turn it, whichever feels that it will secure it tightly. And there, once you turn it, nothing comes out, which means your dal is secure inside the bag. It looks cute, right? Yeah. So you can just store it in your fridge or in your cabinets, however you store the dal, and then it is good to use whenever you need to use it next time in this way. So friends, trust me, this hack will come in use at some point or the other, especially those who handle the kitchen area, the kitchen minister, you could say, will know actually what are the use of such things in the kitchen item. So make use of this hack whenever you feel that you need a very safe and neat way of covering those leftover items in the bag. use it and let me know what do you have to say regarding this hack. Do send in your comments because your comments keep inspiring me to show more and more hacks which might come in use for someone or the other out there. A reminder for those of y'all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's a kind request. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of How.